Positive thoughts with nature. Part 6. Align your circulatory system with nature. Repeat the affirmation daily and find the change within. 1. My circulatory system is a complete system for supplying blood throughout the body. In relation to the circulation system of the nature. 2. My circulatory system is a blood-flowing process in relation to nature's flow of natural laws. 3. My circulatory system is purifying blood and creating purified blood for organs in excellence with relation to nature's law of offering and creation. 4. My circulatory system vibrates throughout the body in relation to the nature's vibration. My circulatory system is expressed in the form of healthy body and mind in relation to active nature. For more such positive thoughts, join us at Facebook, Twitter and YouTube channel as Positive Vibrational World. Thank you.